Good morning. We are in Laconia, New Hampshire with one of our Techo pros, Nature's Elite Landscaping, and we're talking about post-construction wash. During the construction process, it's obviously very dusty, very dirty. You can see here that we've got a little bit of efflorescence on the cap. Even though they cut dry, it was raining out when they were cutting, so we've got some construction cut dust stuck to the face of the wall here. So just like any other large purchase, you buy a brand new car, what do? They wash it, they wax it, they give it to you perfectly clean. So here we're going to do the same thing with a post-construction wash. We're going to be using the EcoChem NMD80 cleaner. We've got the EC Jet sprayer. It goes right in the bucket, mixes it 4-to-1 at the nozzle. Very quick, very easy. No scrubbing with this product, let it sit. If you've got some heavier areas that need reapplication, it's buildable. So just hit it again, let it sit a little bit longer, and pre-rinse. So we're going to go ahead and get started.